Intraday calls. Daily automatic live market intraday calls. Automatically it will give calls like a signal, like a green signal, red signal, buy trend, sell trend, like that. It will automatically give calls in live market. Today it's October 10 Tuesday market. After 1 minute of market open, buy call generator, green color candle open. So daily in live market, this chart will analyze the market movement. It will analyze whenever market trend changes, it will give calls like a signal in live market. Okay. Today at 9:16 buy call came 44 243, our entry point line, that straight white line from green color candle. Above line are first target, second target line, 100 point first target, 200 point second target. Below red color line is the stop loss line. So daily, how you are watching the video right now, you are going to watch this chart, get the call, and you can place the order in your broker account. Manual trading as well as auto trading, both are possible for this chart. The first target range is 44 354, 110 point first target range. Death market to a phoenix market, like that phoenix bird, like that market. Sudden momentum from a single candle, 90 point has been given. After few minutes, it break out the first target range and continuous bullish momentum. It started to move in 100, 110, 120 points, continuous bullish momentum. As you can see, entire day it was in a flat momentum, flat market. Sudden phoenix momentum, like that phoenix bird, like that. Sudden some fire happened in bank Nifty. During this time it break out the target after some flat 50 point momentum. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.